You will not always feel motivated. You will not always feel inspired or zealous about doing something in your life. Some days you're going to be low, some days you're going to be high. So in this video, I'm going to give you a bunch of tips on how you can get motivated when you don't feel like you want to do something, but you have to anyway. Without further ado, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Margaret Yumi, and this channel is all about changing your life. So if you want to improve your life, you want to set goals and achieve them, if you are a game changer, you are definitely in the right place. Consider subscribing and liking if you are going to like what you're going to hear today. So today we're talking about what you can do if you want to be motivated. Okay, let's say this is one of the days when you have to do something but you don't feel like doing it. What do you do? And for my first tip, it is actually that you view what you have to do more of a hobby and less of a chore. If you are thinking of what you want to do, like you have to do it and you're bored and then you just have to do it because it's work, you are going to be getting less and less inspired by the minute. So look at it like it's a hobby, something that you are interested in doing, something that you want to do, something that you're going to do because you actually want to do it and you enjoy it. That is where the part of loving and doing what you love comes in. When you do what you love, it is no longer a work, it's no longer a chore. You are going to do it and you are going to get motivated automatically because loving what you're doing is just an automatic way of getting motivated. And the second tip is, if it's something that is doable when you are listening to music or you can be listening to something, consider listening to motivational speakers. My favorite personal speaker is Les Brown and he's so motivating. You also need to find somebody that you are going to be listening to motivate you and inspire you and push you to grow and become more of what you are right now. Even not that, if you want to listen to something else, you can consider listening to your favorite music. You know, that music that you love listening to just puts you in that vibe where you have to work, you have to do what you're doing, and you do it so fast that you don't even realize the time is actually gone by. Okay, so listen to motivational speakers and listen to your favorite songs while doing what you're supposed to do when you are less motivated. Another point that I can give you is that when you surround yourself with positive, enthusiastic people, that leads you to be more and more motivated every time. Okay, you relate, you say, what would they say if they are here right now? I'm feeling bored, I'm unmotivated. What advice would they give me? And when you think about them, because you are connected with such kinds of people, you get motivated in turn. Not only that, sometimes you are going to find that you want to do something and it's something big that is going to require that you push yourself to the extreme, right? You're going to have to stretch. What or how can you get motivated doing it? Because you're scared, you don't know how the results are going to turn up. What you can do is set rewards. Say, I'm going to do this when I achieve this goal. So say, for instance, you want to do something that's so big and you're scared. Just say, after this, when I get done with this thing, I'm going to take myself out. I'm going to take my friends or my family out. I'm going to buy myself something nice, maybe a nice dress. That is going to motivate you to doing that and taking that challenge, because you know that after that, there's actually a good pay that's coming in 10. Okay. Some days it's just going to be so hard and you are not going to be that motivated. You listen to motivational speakers and it's still not happening for you. It's because sometimes you just need time to rest. Give it time, rest, don't do anything, take a day off, and that will actually recharge your batteries so that the next time that you are at that show, you are at that thing that you're going to be doing, you are going to be more recharged, more enthusiastic, and more motivated to actually doing it. So if all this fail, just take a day off, okay? Take some time off, back up and reset. And you are going to wake up the following day with more motivation and more enthusiasm to doing what you have to do. Remember guys, doing what you love is one of the major things that you need to do because it is a natural motivation in you. You don't have to be told to do it. You don't have to be reminded. You won't have to be forced. So whatever you're doing, put up that habit that, okay, I need to do this because I love it, because I feel like I have to do it. And that is the first step to motivation. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to you. And if it was, please do remember to subscribe for more self-help videos like this one. Share the link to those people that you think need to hear something like this in this time, in these days, okay? I love you so much. And now let's check out the quote of the day. Bye guys, see you in the next video.